So in today's video, I will show you how you can make around $10,000 to $15,000 with the help of affiliate marketing in a month. I will show you an amazing website that will help you make $15 over and over again without generating any sales. This website is very underrated, so make sure to hop on this trick as soon as possible. I will be explaining this website in detail, so please make sure to stick around till the end and don't miss any step. You can use this trick for making quick bucks or even start your own passive income business. It's all up to you. You can easily set up everything and start making quick money within 2 hours of watching this video. And let's say no one will upgrade, you will still get $5, which is equal to $250. Hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Today, I will be showing you how you can make $15 over and over again and get paid around $250 every single day just by using this brand new website that I will be showing you in just a moment. This website is 100% free to sign up. You don't have to generate any sales. You are going to get paid just for free signups through affiliate marketing, and if you are going to generate some accidental sales, that's just an extra income. And at the end of the video, I will share with you instant traffic targeting method, so when you get your affiliate link, you can actually get instant traffic to this affiliate link. Now, just before we get started, if you are new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and also turn on notification bell. I post amazing money-making videos like this every single day. Make sure you don't miss any new ideas. And also, hit the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm. It's much appreciated. Now back to the video. As you can see, I'm on the browser, and I'm going to search for Amazon Audible. Let's open it up. So, Audible is an Amazon company. It offers audiobooks. Audiobooks are audios of real people reading books, and you can listen to the books while doing something else side by side, for example, while on a treadmill. It saves your time, it helps you get educated while you multitask, it is better for cost saving, and it helps the environment because you are not using trees, everything is on your phone. There are many reasons why people are switching from books to audiobooks, so it's great to hop on this trick as soon as possible because there is a lot of traffic coming to this side as the technology advances. And it's a great way to make money using this. So as you can see, I can try Audible for a month absolutely for free. And it will also give me 1 credit. To purchase an audiobook, you can get 2 credits if you have an Amazon Prime subscription. You can use these to purchase any book. They have a huge collection of almost every book. And even after 1 month of the trial period, the audiobook will stay with you. It's yours to keep forever. And right here, you can see the most popular audiobooks. This is what we are gonna be using to make money. Now, this is just a basic page of Audible. However, if you search up Amazon Audible Affiliate, you can see they have an affiliate program for Audible. This will show you basically how it works, and you can see the fee structure here. For every downloaded audiobook, you will receive 50 cents, but for every person who starts their free trial, you will get $5. As you can see, you don't need any sales for this. For every person who starts their free trial, you will make $5. And if anyone upgrades to the Gold Digital Membership, you will get additional $10. Now, there is another website right here that will pay you more money, and this is their fee structure. The basic amount that you will receive here is $15, and there are tiers to complete. If you reach the silver tier, which means if you are able to get more than 250 signups in a month, you will be getting $18 per person. And if you get more than 500 signups in a month, you will get $25. This website is called audiobooks.com, where you can also become an affiliate. This is the overview of this website. You will get paid with every free trial signup. You don't need anyone to convert to a Gold Digital Membership. You will just get the money for every free trial signup. So all you have to do is sign up, get your free affiliate link, and head back over to audible.com and scroll down to this section, which is Great Listens to get started. Choose any book you like, open it. You can see that I can get this audiobook for $0. Now what you have to do is get your affiliate link for this page, so that whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link, they will get to this page, and once they sign up for a free trial, which they will because there is a free audiobook just waiting to be grabbed, you will make $5. And if they upgrade, you will get $10. So to attract traffic, we are going to save the cover photo of this book. Now we will go to a site like canva.com and search for Instagram Story. This will show us templates with the resolution of Instagram Story. Now select free and start making your own poster like I am doing. Just select any template, upload your audiobook's cover photo, and place an attractive, catchy heading over it, so that many people end up clicking on it. More clicks means more money. And also get your own affiliate link by becoming an affiliate on these sites. You can become an affiliate by clicking these sign up to become an affiliate button and get your own affiliate link. Now just download this photo in the highest size possible. After that, just go to your Instagram account and search for book lovers. Now go over these posts and look for any post with huge traffic on it, which means more amount of likes and comments. Open the ones you like and go to their account page. As you can see, they have a huge number of followers and they get great traffic on their posts. So we will just message a couple of these Instagram accounts about getting an advertisement on their story. Just ask them about a promotion on their story, about the free audiobook to download, and ask the price. Every page has a different price, so ask a couple of them and choose your preferred one. Even if they ask for $50 for a 24-hour promotion on their page, it is still a great deal if they have great impressions. If you are interested, just give them the photo you made on Canva and the affiliate link you got for your book. They will add the link to that post. Now just sit back, relax, and watch the money come in. Even if only 50 people end up clicking on it, which will not be the case as it is totally free for them, and let's say no one will upgrade, you will still get $5, which is equal to $250. Isn't that a great idea? Comment down below if you liked it. Catch you in the next one. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.